Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Premise app with YouTube. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on apps, come to apps list here. So then here you're looking for Premise app, or just click on search, then here add Premise app is going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for Premise app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find there update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.